Good day everyone, my name is Chow Jing Qi with meeting number 277338. Today I would like to present for my product, which is develop a mobile application for smart home gardening. The project background is this project is develop a mobile application that can allow public to connect to nature and promote a healthy lifestyle by studying home gardening. Through this mobile application, public can learn how to start a home gardening and gain some gardening skill. The problem statement is the issue of global food crisis has been increased. The primary causes of the increase in global food crisis include weather extreme, such as the country continuing rainfall has reduced crop productivity and causes a 20 to 30 drop in vegetable supplies. The objective of this project is to develop a mobile application that can allow the public to connect to nature, to promote a healthy lifestyle by studying home gardening, to encourage the public to take part in greening activities, and to evaluate the mobile application based on user experience. Next, for methodology, waterfall model is used for this project. There are 5 main stages, which consist of requirement analysis, design, coding and implementation, testing, and maintenance. Next is findings. Based on these two graphs, we can conclude that most of the respondents strongly agree with the application its usefulness. Next, based on the graph of ease of learning, we can conclude that most of the respondents strongly agree with the application is ease of learning. And based on the graph of ease of use, most of the respondents strongly agree with the application is ease of use. Furthermore, graph of usability satisfaction of application shown that most of the respondents strongly agree that they are satisfied with the application. Next, move to contribution to society. User can gain benefits in their daily life and promoting a healthier lifestyle. Secondly, the user can relieve stress and increasing wellness. That's all for the slide presentation. Now I would like to demo my product. Now I would like to demo for my product, and this is the front page of my application, and it has provided 2 buttons. One is the start button, another one is the login button. User need to register for an account before accessing the application. Now click on the start button. Now the user need to fill in all the required details. Before user fill in all the required details, they can click on the start button to see what is the requirement for each column to ensure successful register. Now fill in all the details. Click on the start button, and then it will display "Are you sure?" Yes. And then it will display registration success. Now you can use your registered email and password to log in the application. Click on the remember me to store the preference, and then click login button. And then it will display login success. And this is the main page of the application, and it has provided 4 themes, for example, the tea garden, better sleep, wellness, and also the indoor. For example, the user want to see the indoor. So now it will display an error dialog to tell the user which plant is categorized in the indoor theme, and then continue. Now you will see that all the plants that categorized in the indoor theme will display here. So the user now can simply click on the plant to view the detail of the plant, or using the searching panel, for example, search by the plant name, peace lily, and then click on it, and then now the user can see the detail of the plant. So if the user thought that this is their target plant to start a home gardening, they can add to collection for future review purpose. So now click add to collection. It will ask, are you sure you want to add? Yes. Now it will display success. So now the user can go to the collection page. Now you can see that the peace lily has already successfully added into their collection. So now the user can view and also delete from the collection page. So now you can see there is no data because the plant has been removed. Next, move on to the next function is when the user wants to share plants to other users, they can click this add new plants button. Then now the user can upload the plant image, select from gallery or camera. For example, I select from gallery. And then input the plant detail. Click on the add button, and then it will display "Are you sure?" Now yes. Then it will display success. Now the user can click to view the plant detail. So it has also provided 2 buttons, for example, the edit button and also the delete button. So if the user wants to edit the detail, they can click on the edit button, for example. Now click on the save button. So now you can see that the plant name has been updated successfully. And then if the user wants to remove it, they also can click on the delete button. So now you can see that the plant has been removed from the application. So for the next function is the curation function. And then if the user see the interface, they might don't know how to do. So the user can click on this button. So this is the user guide. So maybe the user can know that the user can search the team name, or the user can input the spacing and the soil type to check for the existing plant that meet the requirement keyword. So for example, the user input 18 inch. So now you can see that the application has suggested the user to increase IB because the spacing is between 12 to 18 inch apart. Let's move to the next page, which is the profile page, and it has displayed the username, full name, email, and also phone number. So the user also can setting their own profile. So maybe some of the user will confuse on how to upload the photo. So now the user can click on this button, and then it has provided an upload image tutorial. So now I will demo how to upload a photo. And then the user can select from gallery or camera. For example, I select from camera. Then I capture an image, and then save. Now it will display success, and then now you can see that your image has been shown here. And also the user can update their phone number and update their password. So if the user update their password, the application will automatically log out because the password has been changed. So if the user has done all the operations, they can click the log out button to log out the application. So now that's all for my product demonstration. Thank you.